Hello there YouTube. Just wanted to do a quick video on my Taurus PT-111 G2, or this is the updated version labeled the G2C. Pretty much the same pistol. Really love this pistol. 9mm, labeled as a subcompact, 12+1 capacity, which is a lot for this size pistol. I carry it every day, and for you keyboard warriors, yes, it is safety check. There is nothing in the magazine. Like I said, 12+1 capacity, that is quite a bit. So I did some searching around to see if there was extended mags available for this pistol. I don't believe Taurus makes any extended round magazines, but I did find that the P226 magazine, 18+1, fits perfect in this gun. Shoots just like the factory magazine, loads perfect, shoots perfect. The only negative part is the magazine sticks out of the lower receiver of the gun, which is kind of unsightly and not very comfortable. So I did some searching around and found a company by Shapeways makes magazine sleeves for these magazines. Beautiful little piece, matches the finish of the gun. Here, let me go ahead and slide it on this magazine. Really nice, tight fit. And there you go. Very nice aggressive stippling. Like I said, the black sort of matches, resembles the lower receiver of the pistol. Fits really good. And like I said, it's 18+1 capacity. Also, that sleeve is, I think I paid around $23 or $24 shipped to my door, which was kind of expensive. So I thought, hey, I've got a 3D printer. Let me try to make some of these sleeves, and so I did just that. And there's the finished product. Really similar to the Shapeways. Very nice aggressive stippling on the front. Let me go ahead and slide it on here. Look at that. Fits right up into the pistol. And there you go. At a fraction of the cost. I will send a link through the description of this video so you can go purchase one of these if you would like. I think right now shipped price is around $7 or $8, which is very reasonable considering that Shapeways model was, like I said, $23 or $24. Also, this is the no logo version. I made a flat spot on the back of this spacer, and this is the no logo version. I made a couple variants. For example, one version says G2 on the back, another version says 9mm. So just go take a look there, and you have the option of having no logo or a logo. So once again, this is the PT-111 magazine spacer, 18 round Mech-Gar P226 magazines. A nice flat black finish to resemble the color of the pistol. It's not perfect, but it's about as close as I can get with the ABS plastic. Very nice, very comfortable. Also cost efficient for those of you who don't want to spend $23, $24 on the Shapeways. Fits very good, feels very good, shoots fantastic. So go check it out. Once again, I'll send a link down there in the description. Thanks guys, have a good day.